Welcome back, everybody, to Terrible at Fishing. Let's do it this way. Welcome back to Terrible Fishing. See the records behind my wall? Behind me on the wall? Cool records. Really cool records. So we're going to do some clear coating today. Now, I just kind of created this box. It ain't done yet. But it'll help me dry them and spray them. So this right here is the box. The box, and it's just a box, and I got my vent right here, sucking everything in. Should be behind there. We'll get to that. Just did this today. So we're going to use this new airbrush. It's just a portable airbrush, and we're using this for the clear coat, which we'll turn, at least for now. We're going to use this. Voila! Acme, the Roadrunner's favorite brand, Finish 1. We actually, this right here is not the hardener. The hardener is here, and it's a 4-to-1. So we're going to mix that. Alright, this requires a little bit of explanation here. Boy, did I fast forward this. Half hour I went through all of this. Now, the first time I did this type of clear coating in this method with that airbrush, it went smooth as silk. Now, evidently I did not clean out that airbrush as thoroughly as I thought I did. And so that thing just started bubbling on me, spitting on me. So I had to take it apart again, clean it again using the thinner, and then try it again. And try is simply a loose form of saying epic fail. So this was, well, embarrassing. But at the same time, the fallback is to just brush the stuff on, which you're going to see in a few seconds. That's exactly what I did, so much for that. C'est la vie. Here we go. So we're going to do the big guy first. And just paint it on instead of airbrush it. Airbrushing's so much nicer if we get it to work. I'm just going to have to really rethink that. I'm glad it was only about $15. Really make sure you get around the hook rash area. Usually I put a couple coats there, at least, in order to really shore it up. So this right here is what it looks like wet. Whenever I can. There's my son, Russell. So, before and after. You do get more on when you use the brush. But so much easier when you got an airbrush. Alright. So that's that. And you got yucky hands. Yucky hands. Yucky hands. I think we'll just brush it on from now on. The airbrush, it was a pretty good idea. It worked really good the first time. Really good the first time. So, but this right here is crazy.